Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energy, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, if you want some answers, you can watch that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards first for your general energies. We have Three of Swords, Five of Pentacles in reverse, and Knight of Wands. So, in your circumstances today, Sagittarius, maybe in your situation, there are some things you need to do. Maybe there are some difficulties you are facing. It may be difficulties with your health or some kind of confusion in your work situation. It needs lot of efforts from your side, lots of work to be done today to make things right, or it may be the way things are in this relationship. So you are seeing some worrying or a difficult circumstance in your relationship. Maybe there are some arguments or something is not right in this connection. Maybe with this person, you may see them as a different person today. They are, they are arguing with you for something, fighting with you, something is missing. Maybe you would have had that beautiful relationship with this person. But today, something is different with them. They have changed a lot and they are changing. And the reason maybe they have someone else and they are not interested in this relationship anymore because they may have a third person, someone interesting them more than you. And it may be a very painful circumstance, a difficult one for you guys. But this person is planning something. Maybe they are, building up a situation, trying to break away from you, trying to move away from you. So they are doing it with a perfect plan in their heart. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Devil in reverse. So today this person is they have their thought or their mind over this person. They are obsessed with someone and they are blindly in love with this person. And however hard you are trying to trying to make them understand you, trying to break this obsession they have, it is not going to work because they have a evil plan or they have planned this before. And maybe for some of you Sagittarius, it's really difficult to tell this, but this person is planning to move away from you. So this obsessive love is something really difficult for them to handle, and at some point they may realize your worth, realize your love, but that is not right now. They are not seeing that, or they are not in that situation right now, Sagittarius. So, for your career situation, guys, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Star in reverse. So, in your work circumstances, maybe there may be some obstacles, something may not go right, and you may feel that people are trying to impose their rules on you, or someone may feel that you are trying to impose your rules on them. So, some kind of lack of communication or troubles may be there, but it may be something small, something you can work it out if you make those efforts needed in your career, Sagittarius. So, that is the reading with these cards, guys. Sagittarius, thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have mending. So in your circumstances today, maybe it is time for you to heal yourself. Maybe you have been through a difficult circumstance or you're going through a difficult heartbreak, and grief strips away our mask and loosens us, and sometimes we are so vulnerable, and it allows to see that we are part of a larger scheme called life, and we are part of that universe that is here, um, taking part in our pain and suffering, and none of us are immune to pain and suffering. So this sadness and sorrow, it breaks our heart open, and we will feel more sympathetic, empathetic, and we depend on others when we are really vulnerable, having a lot of pain, a lot of difficulty to deal with our situation, guys. So that is the energy here. So even that pain, it has a learning that comes to us, that changes us in so many ways, and it changes us to something better. And maybe today we can change our circumstance, all this pain we are going through. Maybe we are with this person, or maybe we are separate, whatever the situation may be. Both of us are being affected, being hurt, and we feel that impact of this pain and sadness. So, this energy needs to be healed, and you need to overcome this. What to do? It is time for you to forgive or to release all that hurt, all that negative feelings you have, and make amends to set yourself free first. So it is not uh, to change some circumstance, it is we are helping ourselves first when we give up all these toxic feelings of pain and hurt, regret or sadness, resentments, arguments, whatever it may be. When we go through it again and again in our heart of hearts, in our memory, we are increasing the burdens we have, and we will feel more negative, more sad, and more heavy hearted. So, if you want to change all that, you need to go for forgiveness, and you need a honest redress. That is what this card is about. So, if you feel that someone has wronged you, you can forgive them. Or if you feel that you have wronged someone, you can ask sorry make amends, and move forward with your life. So, that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It is Labradorite. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you must, give up all that fear you have in this relationship and be open, remain open to something unknown, something magical to happen in this connection, because conscious universe is here to help you and guide you in this relationship, and it is creating this magical magical connection with this person. So that loving partnership that you are dreaming about, this is the time for that. So your relationship has a great potential. You may not understand it, but this is an opportunity for you to experience that magic in this relationship. Or it is an important opportunity that will prepare you for something magical coming in your life, coming in your love life that you deserve. And you need to give up that need for certainty, need for things to go in the way you expect them to go. So when we are open to some changes, open to something unexpected, we will see guidance coming in our life, guidance helping in our relationship, and when we leave room for magic, something beautiful is waiting to unfold today that will point you towards the right direction, point you towards the right actions, and will make this relationship a loving one, a deserving one, something you deserve the most. So you need to let that conscious universe or God or that higher spirit help you to co create it today. So when you give up all that expectations in this connection, that is what is going to happen today, guys. And this crystal spirit, it helps us to see things that we do not see normally. Maybe it just means that we must see things with our heart, not with our mind. When we do that, we will see a beautiful world, a beautiful circumstance today. And that is the energy with this crystal spirit card for y'all, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.